in today's video, I'm going to be doing this yellow gold cut crease sort of situation. I think it's super glam and so pretty, and it honestly wasn't that hard to create. So please keep on watching if you want to see how this video turns out, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how this gold yellow look turned out, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already did my base and I already did my brows. So what I'm going to be doing is highlighting my brow bone, and then I'm just going to be going onto my lid and just like putting it on my lid. So the thing I'm going to be using is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M434 brush. So it's just this little flat brush. And I'm going to be taking some product out of the brush of the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to be taking it and putting it right underneath my brow. And then I'm just going to be taking my finger and just patting it in a little. So now that that's all done, we're just going to be kind of setting it with some powder. So to do that, I'm just going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder, the one that I usually always use. And I'm just going to take that on like a flat, like fluffy brush, a flat fluffy brush. That makes total sense. I'm going to be using a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be like dipping it in there and just like brushing it all over the lid. It doesn't need to be perfect. This is the other eye. Show you guys. So we're gonna be doing the crease part, like a warm brown, and then we're gonna fill it in with the yellow. Just bear with me a second, it's gonna take a little while. All right, so for this brown part up on the crease, I'm just gonna be taking the Naked Basics palette. So this is just like the first Naked Basics, and I'm gonna be using the shade Naked and Faint. So I'm just gonna be taking these two shades, and I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush, so that same one that we used to brush over our whole lid. And I'm gonna take both those colors, tap off the excess, and just bring it right above the crease. And just blend till you can't blend no more, honey. And then when you're done just like slightly doing that, we're gonna take the little brush that I usually use, and we're gonna dip into both shades again and kind of define the crease. Okay, so now that we're done with basically the brown part of it, it's the fun part, the cut crease. So for that, we're gonna be taking the Morphe M421 brush. So it just looks like this, like a flat shader brush. And I'm gonna be taking that Makeup Revolution concealer again on the back of my hand, a little bit more. And we're gonna take some on our hand, so if this focuses. So we're literally just going to be doing this, making sure that the brush is nice and evenly coated. And we're going to take it and just press it on the lid. And then what we're going to do is to find our crease, we're going to look up and look back down, and you can see where it imprinted. We're going to carve that out. If you don't know like how to create the crease kind of shape, look completely straight, and you'll be able to kind of see where it comes up and then dips back down, and that's exactly where you want to draw. And it's okay if the line isn't completely perfect, because we're going to be going over it with the gold anyway. So after patting that in a little bit, we're gonna set that. So we're gonna set that with the translucent powder by Rimmel, just with another dry flat brush. We're gonna move on to the yellow color. So to achieve this, you're gonna need to build and build up your crease color. So, not the crease color, the lid color. So, we're gonna be using the Take Me to Brazil palette, and we're gonna be taking the 2 yellow shades, and we're just gonna be taking a flat shader brush again and dipping into both of those, and just patting and patting and patting until you can't pat no more. Alright, so now that I have like the base of the yellow down, it's not as vibrant yet. We're gonna take Max Fix Plus or any setting spray that you have, and we're gonna spray the brush, and we're gonna dip right back into the palette and go over some sparse areas. Okay, so now that we're done with the yellow, we're gonna move on to the wing part. So what I'm gonna be using is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. So this is the blackest black. We're just gonna do a thick wing. Okay, so now that we're done with the wing, so we have a little bit of excess over here. So what I'm gonna be doing is we're gonna take some like one brush that has the concealer on it, and we're kind of just gonna like brush it up and erase it. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna move on to the gold. So for that, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Heavy Metals liquid eyeliner, and it's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. So we're gonna do 3 layers of this. So we're gonna go, I'll show you. Okay, and then we're gonna let it dry. So now that that has dried completely, we're going to do the lower lash line. So we're gonna take the Naked Basics palette, and we're gonna go in with Naked 2 in Faint, which is just like a little brush. I'm gonna go in with Naked 2 first and kind of just outline the bottom for like some dimension, and then we're gonna take Faint and go right up on the lash line. Okay, so now that that's done, we're just gonna take a little brush again, and we're gonna go back into the Naked Basics palette, and we're gonna go in with Venus. So it's kind of like this white shimmery shade, and you're gonna go in on the brow bone and on the inner corner, just like that. And then we're gonna do our lashes, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, then please thumbs up the video, and I definitely will do more for you. These lashes are like in my eyes. That's why I'm like, I can't see nothing right now. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'm trying to reach 1,000 at least. So please tell your friends, please tell your grandmothers, please tell your fathers, please tell your brothers, please tell your sisters, and please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.